థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు పాయల్ రాజ్పూత్ గారు మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
సో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? వేసా ఎనర్జీ ఎక్కడ తిన్నారా? అయ్యో నేను చాలా ఆకలేస్తుంది. పర్వాలేదు, ఓకే. సో ఇట్స్ wonderful to see all the Telugu media fraternity over here after a very long time. I myself is coming after a very long time because I was quite occupied with my Tamil and Punjabi release. And Telugu media fraternity చూస్తుంటే నేను చాలా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను. సో ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫార్మోస్ట్ Captain of the ship, Hemant Garu, thank you so much for inviting me here to be part of your trailer launch. It really means a lot. And Naku Telsu, ee roju meeru kosam chala mottam team kosam chala mukhyamaina roju, isn't it? It's a very big day for you because finally for the project for which you have worked bloody hard. I know the struggle behind it. I have seen your struggle so deeply and so personally. I know everything about it. So congratulations. Finally, it's going to hit the big screen on 22nd. Miru tappakunda churandi. And just want to say, I was just coming and I was thinking other day that, you know, cinema has evolved so much. There is this incredible wave where everyone is pushing their boundaries, experimenting with narratives and raising the bar, you know. I mean, audiences are demanding so much, and on the other hand, creators are willing to fulfill that demand. It's, you know, something like give and take relationship is going on between the you know, the giver and the receiver. This is what I can feel about the cinema evolving these days. And in this context, I just want to say that this film is going to be a straight up banger. It's amazing. It has everything in it. I mean, I have watched the snippets, and for the very first time, I have watched this trailer. Screenplay, unique genre, dialogue portion, color grading, everything is so unique about this project. And when it comes to VFX, I know it's a very costly affair, isn't it? I'm sure. But I'm always skeptical when it comes to VFX, you know, because at the end of the day, sometimes it looks so unreal and so not so authentic. But with your VFX things, your graphics, I mean, this is phenomenal. Mark my words. And everyone is so impressed and so convinced. I mean, initially I was like, what is this I'm watching, man? But this has some impact. So congratulations once again from my side. And Naku invite chedaniki chala thank you. And now I want to talk about Anika. Anika is a female lead of this film, first time. And I had a conversation with her a few days back. She was quite occupied with some other shoot, and she promised me that, you know, for other functions she is going to join us. So Anika, don't feel anything otherwise. You are looking super gorgeous, darling, and I'm going to see you very soon in Hyderabad. Now I want to bring someone in spotlight. Saurabh Dhingra. How are you? You feeling good? Stay away. Okay. So really happy for you. Really happy for you. So today marks your debut in Telugu industry.
Yeah.
And let me tell you from my experience, adbudhanga undi over here. Why? I'll tell you. Because Telugu industry is incredibly welcoming. It's incredible over here. And I mean, they will never miss a chance to praise you, to appreciate you, to acknowledge your work, your skill set, your powerful performances. Mark my words. And you are here to stay. You have everything in you that makes you a star. And for last 11 years, he has been constantly saying one thing with every movie release, that Payal, you always make me feel proud. Now let me turn the table, and today I have had that opportunity to say, Saurabh, you are making us incredibly proud. So all the very best. I'm really happy for you. And the stage is all yours. Telugu fans, Telugu audience, they have a massive heart. अगर ये लोग प्यार करते हैं ना तो दिल से करते हैं. Always remember that. And love them, give your best, and always have faith in their love. And they are going to embrace you with lots and lots of love, warmth, and adulation. That's it, all I can say for you.
Thank you.
Thank
Payal.
you, thank you, and
so much.
everyone who all are associated with this film, Gayatri. Everyone. I'm sorry, you also. अरे आप तो powerhouse हो. So everyone who all are associated with this film, all the very best. And I'm just waiting for 22nd. I want this masterpiece to release in theaters now. Thank you so much, Andy. Thank you.
Thank you, Payal. Okay, 1 second. I want to mention one name. I want Gautam